EVS worksheets for the day.
Today in our EVS book, we have few more activities related to our topic vehicles, and we are on page number 44. What do we have to do here is we have to tick the vehicles that need fuel and put a cross across the ones that do not need fuel. So what is fuel? As you all know that vehicles, they need fuel to run, like petrol, diesel. You might have seen your mom and dad, they need to fill petrol in the scooter or car. Only then the car and the scooter will move, right? So fuel is petrol or diesel that is required for the vehicles to move. So we have to check in these pictures which vehicles need fuel. So the vehicles that need fuel, we have to put a tick across the picture, and the ones that do not need fuel, we will be putting a cross across those pictures. So now let's check which all vehicles need fuel. So the first picture we have here is of an aeroplane. Do aeroplane need fuel? Yes, aeroplane needs fuel to fly up high in the sky, right? So we need to put a tick here. So what is the second picture we see over here? This is a sailboat, okay? Sailboat does not need fuel. We have to row this boat in order to move, in order for the boat to move in water. So this does not need petrol or diesel to move. So we will put a cross in the box below the sailboat. The next picture we see here is a tricycle. This is a tricycle. So children, you use cycles, right? So do you fill your cycle with petrol or diesel? No, you don't, right? They don't need fuel. So a tricycle does not need fuel to run. So we put a cross across the tricycle. The next picture we see here is a bus, and bus runs on fuel. Bus needs petrol or diesel to run. Only then the bus will move, right? So we will be putting a tick in the box below. This is again a rocket, and rocket also needs fuel to go up high in the sky. Without fuel, it won't move. So rocket also needs fuel. It runs on petrol. This is a bicycle. A bicycle does not need petrol. We don't fill petrol in the bicycle, right? We just pedal it and then it moves, right? We use the pedal over here. So we will put a cross in the box here. So this is your activity on page number 44. So our next activity is on page number 45. And here we have to match the vehicles on. We have to see on the other side, we can see there is a track, there is road, there is clouds, air and water. Like we have to check this vehicle moves on either on road or in air or on water or on rail. So we have to match it accordingly. Like the first picture here is of a helicopter. Where do you see an helicopter? Does the helicopter move on road? No, it doesn't. Does it run on tracks? No, it doesn't. Up in the sky? Right. So we have to match the helicopter with the cloud picture, right? Okay. Now the next picture we have is of a ship, a big huge ship. And where do we see a ship? Do we see a ship on road? No, we don't, right? Do we see a ship on the rail track? No. Where do we see a ship? We see a ship on water. So what we will do is we will match the ship with the picture of water, right? This is how we will match it. Now the next picture is of a train. The train runs on rail track, right? So we have to match the train with the picture of the track. The last picture we have here is of a scooter, and the scooter moves on road, right? We see the scooter on road. So we will match the scooter with the picture of road. This is a simple activity wherein you have to match the vehicles with the places where they move on, right? This is your activity on page number 45. Now let's move on to one more activity that we have on page number 46, and that is it's about the concept of slow and fast, like which vehicles move slow and which vehicle moves fast. So you have to tick the faster vehicle. Like we have a sailboat here and the other is a motorboat. So the sailboat will move slower than the motorboat. So which box we will put a tick across? We will put a tick in the motorboat, in the box below the motorboat, because this is the vehicle that will move faster than the sailboat. Okay. The next picture is of an aeroplane and a hot air balloon. Aeroplane moves much more faster than the hot air balloon. Okay. So this is the picture that we need to put a tick across. The next picture is of a bicycle and a scooter. What do you think? Which vehicle moves faster? Does the bicycle move faster than the scooter? No, it doesn't. The scooter is much more faster than the bicycle. So we have to put a tick here. And the very last picture on this page is of a rocket and a helicopter. Here, this is a rocket and this is a helicopter. And which moves faster? Yes, the rocket moves faster. It will just go zoom up in the sky, right? So we have to put a tick here. So this is your activity on page number 46. So today you have to do activities on page number 44, 45 and 46 of your EVS workbook. That is all for today. Thank you.